Question number 156. Corticoid which regulates the balance of water and electrolytes in our body is called. And the options are ANP, aldosterone, testosterone and melatonin. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, that is aldosterone. Aldosterone is a hormone which is released from the outermost layer of adrenal cortex. And this hormone is responsible to maintain the balance of water and electrolytes in our body. Let's discuss other options also. The next option given is ANP. ANP stands for anti-natriuretic peptide or anti-natriuretic factor. It is a factor which is released from the atrial wall of heart in response to increase in blood pressure. It also affects the water and electrolyte balance in our body, but it is not a corticoid. So this is an incorrect option. Rest of the options like testosterone and melatonin are also incorrect options because these hormones are also not corticoids. So the correct answer is aldosterone, which increases the reabsorption of sodium ions in the distal part of nephron and is responsible for the balance of water and electrolyte in our body. And the correct answer is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 157. The atrial wall of our heart secretes peptide hormone called, and options are parathormone, ANF, thyrocalcitonin and MSH. And the correct answer to this question is option number 2, ANF. ANF stands for atrial natriuretic factor, which is released from the atrial wall of our heart and acts as a vasoconstrictor. Rest of the options, that is parathormone, thyrocalcitonin and MSH, are the incorrect options because parathormone is released from the parathyroid gland, thyrocalcitonin is released from the thyroid gland, and MSH, which stands for melanocyte stimulating hormone, is released from middle pituitary. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 158. In human females, secondary sexual characters are controlled by, and the options are progesterone, parathormone, estrogen and FSH. The correct answer to this question is option number 3, that is estrogen, which is a hormone present in females and is responsible for the regulation of secondary sexual characters in them, while testosterone is a hormone in males which are responsible for the regulation of secondary sexual characters. Let's discuss other options also. The next option is progesterone, and this is an incorrect option. Progesterone is a hormone which maintains pregnancy. The next option is parathormone, and this is an incorrect option. Parathormone is responsible for regulating the calcium level in blood. And the last option is FSH, and this is also an incorrect option. FSH represents follicular stimulating hormone which stimulates gametogenesis. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 159. All the statements regarding testosterone are correct except, and the options are stimulates growth of facial and axillary hair, influences the male libido, stimulates muscular growth and causes catabolic effects on protein and carbohydrates metabolism. And we know that testosterone in males controls the secondary sexual characters. They control secondary sexual characters in males. The very first option is stimulates growth of facial and axillary hair, and as it is a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Influences the male libido, and as it is also a correct option, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. And the next statement is stimulates muscular growth, and as it is also a correct statement with respect to testosterone, so this cannot be a correct answer. The last option is causes catabolic effects on protein and carbohydrate metabolism, and as it is an incorrect statement with respect to testosterone, so this is the correct answer to our question because testosterone has anabolic effects on proteins and carbohydrates. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 160. All of the following receptors are present in dermis of human skin except, and the options are Pacinian corpuscles, Meissner's corpuscles, Ruffini's organ and Merkel's discs. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, that is Merkel's discs, because these are the receptors which are not present in dermis of human skin, but these receptors are present in the epidermis. Epidermis of human skin. The other options are Pacinian corpuscles, Meissner corpuscles and Ruffini's organ, and these are the incorrect options because these are the receptors which are present below epidermis and these are situated in the dermis of human skin. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question.